Well, we are in Ocean View, going to see the parade. Headed to find Jason and Kelly. Ocean View Parade, these are the attendees. Eddie's somewhere.
Yeah.
Hey, where did he go?
Next year, we're going to do get the little zipper down there. Yeah, because you have to kind of get it back.
I think it's Italian.
Okay, just take it.
Stones on my left, 4 in my right side. One of them is 6 millimeters. I've had them active before, and they just gradually will pass. But the last time I got a CT exam or CT scan for them was in 2010. So they were doing a comparison, and I had some
every time I hear back,
and I passed. Last one I passed was like 2018, but I know I had one pass a few months ago. Maybe a year ago. It was something we were going to meet you guys, and I was like, I got a kidney stone, I got it. I'm kind of scared about the 6 month because anything 6 and above, they recommend like surgery
The brothers?
or get it blasted out.
Brother is a captain.
A little worried about that.
My son was 4 or 5 years.
But it's on this side, which is not even bothering me. Spice does matter, Margaret.
Yeah. They are very cool.
I didn't mean to bark I think we should go back.
I love you.
Do you think if I asked them to let me on?
fun. Offer a beer? Who is this? Toto. That's 80 shit. Do a flip! Are you all doing Battle of the Beers this year? Yeah. Can I go? No. Well, I mean, can I go with y'all? I'm gonna go. Breakfast champion. Oh yeah, dude, best breakfast I've had in years. But
I've got to watch for that.
maybe you can. I don't know. Sure, I can. I've got the GPS Marvin. No, state style. It's if you're talking about the one that runs all the way from here to that house. Okay, the whole yard was full. The farthest one, so that might be, I don't know.
That was on the one here.
See ya.
Everybody gets fun.
See ya. Well, I'd like to play.
About that nurse practitioner.
I really like playing this. I'm walking distance.
You guys should take your golf carts there, and then Greg and I can use one of yours. And you
Hillbillies. I don't think she's a come a long way from the Shriners Go-Kart. And they do a bunch of figure eights. Is that for your YouTube?
Right.
That's talent. sparkle setup.
Don't put that in the video. That makes me sound gay.
That's gonna be in the video.
I'm straight. Straight. She was with a new guy last year.
Well, she's been with Joe up in the year.
Well, how's she doing in general? I haven't seen her since last year. Really?
Been there for a couple of years doing that, right?
Okay, don't go from Japan to Colorado.
That's right. So, do you remember you saying she was going to get into it? Yeah. So, her first degree is in, I think, business marketing. So she's able to use
So a double whammy?
Yes.
I bet they love her. Just a business degree in general instantly gets you anywhere in the world.
Right. And nursing. So she's using those skills that
Because even I thought eventually going to the school I work after I'm done being a nurse and everything, because it's like well, it's not free. It's expensive as hell, but it's online for a business degree. Like, it's so easy. Oh my god, because I go through all the classes right now and I see the stuff people are posting and getting hundreds of.
But then I started taking other classes, started out with sociology as my major and marketing as my minor. I mean, not sociology, criminology. I started with sociology, then went What is going on with your car that's been in the driveway for like a
Once a year.
Oh yeah.
God, I want one so bad.
Oh, a pod. A bod. I had one. I had a 65.
What's the year I want?
I had it. It was red.
Yeah, the soft top, right?
No, I was like,
Might be a 66.
they probably made both.
I like the one that's a hard top, and then just the middle is a soft top.
The van.
Which is great.
VW van.
Maybe I should go get that. I like fun.
I like this. So
Yeah, the ones with the
VW place, bug house. Yeah.
That's like that, but red.
That's my favorite car.
They are fun to ride.
Random crap that left over.
Maybe they're supposed to be. I'm not sure.
She would.
Jeep is pretty cool.
That's cool. I like that with the big tires.
I like the blow up Dutchess. It's so cute.
same thing. Her other friend.
Is Meg still seeing it?
I was moving out
Yeah.
and she was moving in. And one over there was
If she starts acting right, she can stay.
welcome to the neighborhood thing.
Yeah. What if you're not acting? Can you say?
When do I not act right? What up, everybody? Today we're here at St. Patrick's Day. We're drinking beer. There's your intro.
Jackson's Gay Day Parade. Woohoo!
Not yet. Not. Here, I was in your car. It's your car, right?
No, Greg drove.
That was Greg's car.
Yeah, I think it was Greg's and Jason. All right, wait a minute.
It was in a trunk of an SUV.
That was Greg's.
Correct. Okay.
With a 50 cal in the back of that Jeep right there going to your right. The American flag.
That'd be nice. That'd be fun to shoot. I didn't say in this crowd.
Talking about that the other day.
Yeah, my boxes are all the way down here. Holy shit.
You have no acid on. How does that mean?
I know I don't. I know I don't. I know I don't. I don't need to say it for the whole wide world.
You're on camera.
Oh.
Say hello to the camera.
Hi. I do not have a small ass.
You have no ass.
I know.
Yeah, it's not small. It's just
It's just not there.
non-existent.
Having a desk job with no ass.
Well, I just found them and then I lost them again.
Aren't they Gucci?
Those are my normal glasses. Those are Fossils. So, a new brand. We do it. I think I'm ready to have another one. Am I? Wait a minute. Am I?
We just sip on a beer all night. Yeah, civilian. I mean,
Kelly's getting down. I feel very popular today with that thing. You're marrying her, Brian. Oh, you should have pulled up your bling bling.
Oh, you wanted to pull up the bling bling?
What's a mood?
yeah, that doesn't go far.
In Kelly's world, I do exactly what I'm doing.
Kelly's world would be something. He's recording. I'm not gonna say it. It's gonna be really bad. It was gonna be
I know. We
real
are
bad.
seriously gonna have to grab that thing and on it.
I was gonna be arrested in like 3 different countries. This last month. You know what he should do? Me and Kelly should just be fucking yelling as loud as we can, and he just cuts the audio to like the alley music. And I'm just red in the face.
But we have to have like little 4-leaf clovers like coming out of the instead of the shouting like the
He has
4-leaf
little
clovers.
he has little clips as well of everyone happy and hanging around. Me, Kelly, like this, and then just rock.
Gold coin. Out of our ass. Yes. We have while there are party.
I'd watch that.
Of course you would. The weather is so nice.
Way better than last one.
Wondering where it was.
It's got potted plants.
Egg salad.
That's what we're getting instead of the pool. I would love for y'all to get a pool.
All right. She knows Ocean View so well.
That's so believable. And then everything else right there.
Yeah, tell you what.
That is. Yeah.
750. 750.
We're not making them out. She's gotta fight the Girl Scouts off at Blue Line.
She's riding on the back of that guy's motorbike that's missing you off.
I worked the railroad tracks in Boyot.
Oh, really?
One plane, 450s and up. I don't know where it's at. And that's more like the boat for you.
Yeah.
We have seen the boat. You remember it's usually parked out there in front of Kova on the corner. I don't.
That's definitely commercial.
I will educate you on corners and railroad tracks.
Kelly's got connections and Kelly gets connected. There, yeah. No.
It's because I can't share my connections. My trust me.
I've also never
It's
seen
the
her flash
whole
her
dark,
PO
it's the
badge.
whole secret underworld. On street corners.
I've never once seen your PO badge.
You know, I'm sorry, Jackson, that I have not shared.
Didn't you say you were gonna go back to as a PO for like a week or something?
I went back for 3 years.
3 years.
That's a nice Bronco.
Yeah.
Like a burgundy with a black trim on it.
Yeah.
Stop yourself.
I'm just picturing Kelly of all people whipping out of bed. Hey, you need to stop that right now. That is not okay.
First of all, that is very feminine, EO. You would be should be ashamed of yourself.
You should be ashamed of yourself. Here's my badge. Yo, would be ashamed. Actually, I left it at home with my husband because I'm home all the time.
This is gonna look good on the video.
Oh my God! This could be a podcast. Live to take Jackson down.
Y'all's new podcast will be called Kelly the.
Missing body washed up. No kidding. On the bay. Yes.
That'd be funny though.
With needles all around.
Me-
If you could one more comment about that, it's getting me really mad.
No.
Hidden behind the window in the dark, searching for signs of life, but there's nobody home. Now maybe I'm just too frightened by the sound of it. Pieces of notes fall down, but the letter said, wow, it was good, living with you all. It was good, wow, wow, wow.
So we've just left the Ocean View Club 60. There it is. There we go. Leaving the party. And now we're headed to the next place, which I'm not sure what it's called, but we're gonna give you a little something to see.
God, it was really good. It Oh, is this sheepdog? Where? In the door. But our bill is astronomical for all of you.
No, I don't think it's too bad. I think it was in the 80s.
Oh, yeah, we go to H.A. Gators, it's $100. Like, that's a shit show.
We order in from the club at 60.
We need to get like that one.
And I booked it.
Nobody heard it.
hit record on this?
I don't know.
Okay, there's
How
a
do you
button
hit
right there. I
record?
see it.
You
It's
see
right
it?
there.
Okay.
Yeah, I think so.
Oh, good one.
Hello, my little Mexican friends. Oh, I'm doing myself. There it is. Hello, my little Mexican friends.
And how did we make it across the border?
Do I need to pull you?
I got your GoPro here, B.
Did y'all survive?
They're alive! They're alive! Woo!
Turtle.
There's one alive. Good job.
Oh my God.
I'm two alive!
Do we make it? Not moving. There he is.
Did you feel like you were in a
Oh shit.
Here you go, dude.
Like, get on them semis and
Still
do
on.
that migrant shit traveling. I couldn't imagine that.
No.
I mean, it wasn't bad,
Hold on, I gotta get my phone.
but I couldn't do that for like a long
Hours
period.
and
Oh,
hours
no
and
way.
hours.
Oh, I could do that for at least 2.
Really?
2 hours, I bet I could stay in there comfortable with all 3 of us. If it
Oh, you
wasn't all
guys
3 of us.
recorded that.
So y'all could breathe.
Yeah.
Because when we started going,
That said 21 plus. Sounds like fun.
you know what I like to do?
Help me up so don't get
30 martinis.
Never had one. I want one so bad. They won't let me.
Meredith had one the last time we went out with her and Jay. I took a sip, I'm like, sold. And I ordered one the other night at Trader's.
I had to sit down for a minute.
I need Brian to make one for me. Because it wasn't as olive juicy, salty.
I want that. I want it so make it look so good, but I don't have any.
We gotta look at the things we have for me at home.
We're hanging out at Cova Brewery after the truck ride here, which I believe we have videos, so you'll be seeing that. But we're hanging out at Cova now. Wonder where Kelly's at. Jason, where is Kelly?
I have no fucking clue. She found a dog. That's all I know.
She found a dog.
The coffee was this much. The rest is oat milk. That's our.
So we have found Kelly. If you look across the way, you will see her. We have found her.
There's a dog over
She is stopping to pet dogs on the way.
She is petting dogs.
thought I was bad.
Oh, 100%.
There'll be adults walking by with a dog and you go, hi puppies!
Yes.
Nothing to the
Nothing
adults.
for the adult. Yep. Kelly! Kelly!
We don't have a dog.
We are gonna. You just walked through their circle. Oh, that's the guy. I said, oh, you're really tall. And he stopped and turned around and he said, yes, I am. And I said, yeah, well, I'm sorry. He's like, it's okay.
Oh. Everyone see the purse he has? He's wearing a purse. What is wrong with him? Why would you wear a purse? Blah, 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 blah. There he is. Look at him. The film man himself wearing a purse. Never in all my years.
It's showing me. How do I turn it?
Turn the camera around. There you go.
Is it recording?
Yep.
You can't zoom in.
I don't know how. I already commented on Brian on his purse.
Do you zoom in, zoom out? I tried.
I don't think it does.
Hands on the content.
Exactly.
She's blind. She's blind.
I can't do it.
So she was recording.
I saw.
I can't. I tried to hook your ass up.
We can delete that later. Edit that. He had it.
All right, so we're walking to Captain Groovy's right now. Jason passed by, blew the horn, going to Captain Groovy's. Next thing we know, he's headed back towards Cova, blowing the horn, calls Howard. They're looking for Kelly's purse. So they are going back to find the purse as we're forging ahead to Captain Groovy's. I
Go
would
figure.
say we will probably beat them there. Catch on
With the allegations there,
the
bro.
flip side. And like I thought, we beat them to Captain Groovy's. They are still looking for Kelly's purse. If you've seen it, please call Kelly and let her know where her purse is. Thank you. So we are now having dinner at Captain Groovy's, and here's everybody.
Yeah, this is post St. Patty's Day drinking. I don't even know if I'm in the video
You
or
are,
not.
oh yeah, you are.
Okay, so this is post St. Patty's Day drinking. We now have to eat in order to make it home normal. And Kelly lost her purse and made everybody go look for it. Ugh.
Here we are having dinner at Captain Groovy's. Catch you on the flip side.
Here, I'm gonna sit across